everyone, my name is Miss Taruna and I am teacher in Modern Public School Bhiwadi. This is my friend Froggy. Froggy, say hello to everyone. Hello everyone. Everyone, Froggy is fond of rainbows. He lives in water and he enjoys watching rainbow. One day Froggy was asking me, ma'am, why we see beautiful rainbow in sky? So I told Froggy, wait, I'm going to tell you a story. So let's get started. So one day what happened? Sun was shining brightly in the sky and there were so many clouds. They all were enjoying each other's company. And what happened? They thought, why not race with each other and have some fun? So they thought of this idea and they thought, okay, we will enjoy and we will race with each other. But very soon what happened? Mother East came. She said, no, my dear children. This is not the right time for race. You cannot race at this time. The wind is not in your favor. But you know, clouds were very naughty. They thought, no, we will do. Okay. So what happened next? They all came in one line and they began their race. What happened after that? They bumped into each other. They bumped into each other and they got hurt. And all the black clouds, they were full of water. And you know, it was water everywhere. They begin to rain. Now they are very sad. They got hurt and they are raining. So, there was rain everywhere. Water everywhere. After that, what happened? Again, Father Sun came to rescue. He said, my dear children, no need to cry. Why you worry? When I am here, I am going to shine brightly in the sky once again. And I am going to send my beautiful fairies. And they will take away your sorrow. So Father Sun said, beautiful fairies, purple, pink, yellow, blue, green, orange, red, all 7 fairies, they came out, and what they did? They wipe away the tears and make all the clouds happy once again. And look, now all clouds are happy once again in the sky. But you know, in the process, what happened? All the fairies, they got wet because they were drying tears off all the clouds. Now they got little worried how we will go at our place back. So Father Sun came again and he said, oh my dear fairies, no need to be worried. I am here. Now hang your gowns in my sun ray and I will make them dry. So all beautiful fairies, they hung their gown on the rays of sunlight and their gowns are again dry. So children, this is the way we see beautiful rainbow in the sky. Okay, so children and everyone, we see beautiful rainbow in the sky when it rains. So why this happens, I will tell you. We see beautiful rainbow because when it rains, so few drops of water or some drops of water are struck in the sky. And when again sun shines, so what happens? The refraction, because of refraction of light, some white light enters the water drop and they get refracted. And we see beautiful rainbow with our eyes. So here goes the story. Thank you for watching.